careful, Lulu. Right, Lulu? Good girl! Yay, Lucy! I'm taking a video. Poor Lucy is so cold. She fell a couple times just wanting to swim, and now she's like, I'm cold. Say hi, Lulu. And here's our kayak. There's my paddle. You're so wet. Yeah, I do. I'm not gonna let you fall in, baby. You just looking, huh? Are you just looking? Oh, careful, I got you. Let's sit back up here, okay? Close to the pier. Lulu, you got peanut butter on your nose. Is it yummy? Huh? Is it yummy? There you go. This. coloring on the water.
You should see the snake. Snake. Snake.
Alright, where are the seashells? Whoa, that's a really pretty one, Kinsley. You should keep that. Ew. Did you have fun kayaking?
Yeah,
Yeah, me too. Ooh, what is that?
these are seashells.
Seashells, very nice. I love your seashell collection. They look good.
Want to see my biggest one of all?
I do. Whoa, that one is so beautiful.
When we get at Donna's house, we're gonna clean it.
Yep, we're gonna clean it.
Because it's so dirty that nobody can even pick it up.
Right, exactly. It looks yucky right now, huh?
Yeah, because it's been in the dirt.
Yep, but we're gonna clean it up.
It's okay.
What you drinking?
Soda.
Soda?
Look. Donna! Come on! No better than off the kayak. Have you got your butt?
Yep, throw it. Whoa, it almost got you wet. How was your kayak trip? You can actually kayak to the thing. She's gonna throw a rock at you.